Greetings, fellow prisoners, once more in this beautiful day. Prison planet Earth, places Zagreb, Croatia, Europe. This is south. Let's make it west. Oh, goodness. But there is no sun, as usual. This is north and east is black completely. And let's see, 3 cases again. First, I'm completely mad, crazy, whatsoever. Then how my camera picked up wrong. Then I've been Mandela affected because I know that clouds look different than this. Other people notice. Wrong answer. This is something completely new. And what I am actually not afraid but thinking that whoever they run the show, always tell us at the end about everything as an invisible enemy. They know it's 2 years before those space aliens, technology and cell phones and everything. So maybe this is just my theory. Maybe they started dimming sun a few years ago, and now when it's at the end, of course they need a patsy and they will probably put it on the crazy bill, whoever it is. Mark my words. But I also heard that Crazy Bill doesn't like jail, and he's, from my experience, no material for jail at all. So probably he'll sing more than a canary. And that makes story much bigger. Because who can or why hire the richest man in the world? Think about it for a second. This is not all my thoughts. I'm just a journalist and I pick it up, by the way, on a million different channels, trying to find logic in all that craziness. And when you crisscross from Islamic to Orthodox prophecy to right-winging American Christians to Roman Catholic Jesuits, Freemasons, conspiracy theories, vulgar, then just normal smart people, then curious people, then robots, then I don't know, trolls, whomever it is gonna end. Then you realize that some stories, if they are stories, too much overlap to be stories, because those people don't have a clue each for other. Maybe 1 in 2 cases, but I'm doing this for 2.5 years. No freaking way in a million years that somebody else connect all those people, and 90% of all those people are pretty much saying same thing. And let's say just BC, before that shit happened to all planets, we all know that patterns was already made, blah 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 blah. And I always thought, first I was, of course, as probably all of you, scared, I don't know what, but then when I realized that it's a big scam, of course there is a big disease, lots of people die of it, but not in the way they present it, and one life one lie is enough to put all the truths questionable, and I don't believe in, for a starter, as some truth, moral standard, values whatsoever. You know who I'm thinking about. So anyhow, this is west. We are heading east then, or north then, home in Dixie. And of course I'm walking through one of our biggest meadow. We have camera and dog and everybody looking at me. Nobody look what I'm recording or what. Nah, look that idiot. Yeah. If they only knew how less they care. Not pretending to think that I'm a wolf or something like it, but does wolves anytime they care about opinion of sheep or shepherd dog or I don't know who. Wolf. We are down on Dixieland, 2.5 clicks from here. You wanna know where the Balkan starts? After those buildings, there is a river. The river is called Sava, and everything south of this is a Balkan. I'm not in Balkan. I'm north, close, but not in it. So basically this is first free speeching post north of Balkan, because I don't know anybody else except me doing it, and I don't care. I'm doing because of fun, because I'm hooked on it. Worse than heroin. Do not jump in that rabbit hole or take red pill if you are not ready to go all the way, because I try to switch it to 2 red for 1 blue and cash. There is no way to turn it back, so enjoy the ride.